準備してる。何その大量のもの。
ね、ニョキ。ね、今日ちょっと寝坊してるから宿題先やって。
First up, お茶漬け, ramen egg, and pickled napa cabbage. A perfect balance for a well-rounded morning meal. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and it will keep you energized throughout the morning. Plus, you can make most of them ahead of time. I made this the day before the morning so that in the coming morning, it's nice and yummy.
そしてお気に入りの器。ご飯どれぐらい食べる？結構多いよ。やだ。白菜漬け美味しいんだよ。ごま。
This ochaduke is the very first dish my kids cooked by themselves. They are now master chefs of this. If they can do it, you can do it too. All you have to do is to assemble everything in a bowl and pour hot water.
お、いや、分かってる分かってる。上手。飛び込んでっちゃった。変わらん。お茶漬けばっか朝やってるね、最近もさ。
確かに味やな。
味ない？じゃあほら醤油足して醤油。
おいしい。
美味しい。よかった。それ赤いの辛いからね。赤いのは食べないで。
Next one on the menu is Nat Toast and soup. Speaking of natto, let me share a little bit about our exclusive community. We do cooking sessions together every month. In November, our theme was to get familiar with natto. It was fun to see how members reacted to natto. Some were for the first time and others are already big fan of natto. If you want to be a part of this community, please join through an online coaching program.
ほんとこれビーガンチーズ。皆さん映ってないや。 すごい。
いただきます
どう？納豆と言ったね。どうですか？
おいしい
本当に？
これからし入ってるでしょ
入ってる。彼氏入れた方が美味しいかなと思ったんだけど。ランキングは1000位までだって10位なの。
As you can see, this natto toast is not everyone's cup of tea. Like in my family, my son and I love this natto toast, but my husband doesn't really like it. So if you're curious, please give it a shot and then let me know what do you think. As we savor these dishes, let's not forget about the nutritional benefits. Japanese breakfast philosophy revolves around the balance and variety, ensuring you get the mix of carbs and proteins and vegetable. And that's often found in a Ichiju Sansai eating method. If you're looking for more support on starting Japanese cooking, we have a coaching program. Most of us know what we want to change to maintain our health through food, but it's hard to make it to the path without any support. The goal of this program is for you to transform your life with the power of Japanese cooking. Not only will you learn from the video, but also you will have real people, including myself, supporting you in an exclusive community. If you're interested, the link is in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one. またね